It sounds like the market is expecting what I would consider a no vote. I think we're going to not have the votes for the repeal of Obamacare or the next phase of this legislation. I think they're going to get back to work, and I think the market is ready for that. And I think that's what we saw in the last few days, and that's what we're seeing already in pre-market indications.
Meaning like the rest of the agenda when it comes to taxes, when it comes to deregulation, is more important from the market's perspective?
I think so, and that's things I think that will pass much more easily, and that's what the market is, I think, rallied on this year, and I think that's absolutely going to be the next phase of the Trump agenda.
The counter take on that would be that if this vote is not passed, it means that the Republican Party has been splintered, and any momentum it may have had is gone, and it questions whether or not the president could get the support for the other bills that he would like to see passed. What do you say to that?
I would say the party and the country is splintered, and I think finding ways to get along and get things like legislation passed, I think we're going to see that going forward. I think this was a very tough bill to overhaul. I think we've also heard from the constituents what this actually means to them, and they're voting with their phone calls and emails to their congressmen, et cetera. I think tax legislation is easier to look at. I think we've already seen that kind of the ramifications for some of the public companies that we've seen. I've also seen a big shift, at least we have, at least in the IPO market. People are more excited about going public. I think those kind of bills are more likely to pass, and that's where the agenda will focus on after we find out today what's going to happen with this Trump care / Obamacare.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.